guys, for today's video, we will be having a faster segment, and today we have our very special guest joining us, the esteemed Dr. Archer Campoy. Let's jump right in and uncover some fun facts together with our very special guest, Mr. Bowman.
So good day, sir. I have some questions for you. What is your favorite topic in parliamentary procedure and why?
Thank you for that question. Every single topic under parliamentary procedure means so much for me as a teacher for quite some time. It provides a framework within a group which can be considered that there are issues and or topics to be resolved with, and rules are crafted in order to ensure and balance the rights within the various groups members of the organization, such as individual members. So all these things will be down to a proper, just, germane display, and for the good of the organization, not only for the officers, but also for the entire membership. Any other question?
Hi, sir. So,
Hello.
my question is, what motivates you to teach this course?
Okay, as a graduate of Ligarium Baccalaureate, the legal education motivates me to teach the course as well as the proven rules of the learning content of the course, which are exactly designed to move business along in the meeting while maintaining order and controlling the communication process. Also, its purpose is to help the groups to accomplish tasks through an orderly and democratic process. So as a former chief squire of the Colombian Squires, and as a quantum secretary of the Knights of Columbus, Council number 3374 in the Orchid City, I treasure the moments when parliamentary rules had been applied in the conduct of our meeting. So this further motivated me to teach the course, to teach this subject.
Sir, good afternoon.
Yes, good
I
afternoon.
have a question for you, sir.
Is it personal?
No, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
What makes you different among other instructor in JRMSU?
Uy!
That's a person.
Okay, no two persons are exactly alike. So even identical twins have differences in all aspects of their lives. I believe there's a point of comparison to anybody else because we have our own personal idiosyncrasies. And I remain committed and dedicated in my work. I shall profess myself to be working in the fourfold functions of the university, not only in research, extension, instruction, and production, but also in building human capital, like producing quality and competent graduates. The graduates who are capable of finding productive employment in various sectors of our global arena.
Thank you, sir.
A pleasant day, everyone. We have our guest in our Fast Talk today with Dr. Archer C. Campoy. He is going to engage himself in the would you rather and a little bit of this or that Fast Talk. Let's start with the would you rather. Are you ready, sir?
Yes, I'm always ready.
Okay. So, would you rather meet your great-grandparents, meet your great-grandchildren?
Grandparents.
Have more time, have more money.
Have more time.
Have life rewind button, have life pause button.
Cost bottom.
Know all the world's languages, speak with animals.
All languages.
No one shows up to your wedding or no one shows up to your funeral. Stuck in an elevator, stuck on a ski lift.
Elevator.
Go to dinner alone or go to a concert alone.
Concert alone.
Have world peace, stop world hunger.
Stop world hunger.
Go skydiving or go to a bungee jumping.
Skydiving.
Be an adult your whole life, be a kid your whole life.
Adult whole life.
Go on vacation with friends or go on vacation with spouse?
Vacation with friends.
Last, get a brand new house or get a brand new car?
Brand new house.
Thank you so much for that wonderful answers.
Oh my God! Wow!
Early bird, night owl.
Early bird.
Smoothie or soda?
Smoothie.
Sneakers or heels?
Sneakers.
Pickles or dimples?
Dimples.
East Coast, West Coast.
East Coast.
Lefty or righty?
Left.
Middle part, side part.
Middle part.
Sweet, salty.
Salty.
Neutrals, colorful.
Colorful.
Online shopping, in-store shopping.
Online shopping.
Sunbathe or get in the water.
Sunday.
Spontaneous or planned?
Spontaneous.
Thank you so much for that wonderful answers.
A few moments later.
And before we end, can we get a simple message from you, sir?
To our viewers, students around, thank you for sparing your precious time to be with us in this particular fast talk. Maybe learn something from the preparations of my clients, my learners. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Feel my heart and see how it beats for all of you. I thank you for sparing your precious time.
Go. Go.
A pleasant day, everyone. We have our guests. Salam do is time's up. Salam do is time's up.
So good day, sir. I have some questions for you. So, what is your favorite topic in Berlin?
My learners, thank you, thank you, thank you. Feel my heart and see how it beats for all of you.
So good day, sir. I have
Nice.
So good day, sir. I have some
Wonderful answers.
So weird.